Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, the pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Citi Premier Credit Card. The Citi Premier Card, from our partner Citi, is the mid-tier credit card that earns points in Citi's ThankYou Points program. The card comes with a nice welcome bonus of 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. It offers strong ongoing rewards for purchases at restaurants, supermarkets, gas stations, hotels, and on-air travel. Let's begin by looking at the pros of owning the Citi Premier Card. With the Citi Premier Card, you'll have access to a professional 24 hours a day, 7 days a week via the Citi Concierge dedicated phone line. Get assistance with things like travel, shopping, entertainment, and eating out. With a simple phone call, the concierge service may assist with concert tickets, restaurant reservations, and vacation planning. Simply use your Citi Premier Card to purchase a qualifying item, and if it is damaged or stolen within 90 days of the purchase or delivery date, you could be eligible for up to $10,000 per incident. The maximum amount you can spend in a calendar year is $50,000. On qualified items, this benefit extends the manufacturer's warranty for an additional 24 months. The benefit applies to items having a manufacturer's guarantee of fewer than 5 years. The Citi Premier provides various travel-related benefits that consumers may not be aware of as a World Elite MasterCard. These include a $5 monthly lift credit after 3 rides in a calendar month, as well as access to the MasterCard luxury hotels and resorts portfolio for on-property perks such as complimentary breakfast and room upgrades based on availability. You'll also get bonuses like smartphone protection and global emergency services through the World Elite MasterCard program. This program allows members to purchase tickets to thousands of events before the general public, including concerts, sporting events, unique dining experiences, and movie screenings. The Citi Premier, like any good travel card, allows you to travel freely without incurring an international transaction tax. Earn 3x points on travel purchases, which include purchases from gas stations, restaurants, supermarkets, hotels, and airlines. This can be a great incentive if you travel frequently or fill up at the gas station once a week. Other purchases that earn 1x points include aquariums, zoos, museums, live sporting events, and amusement parks, as well as movie theaters and online streaming. If you frequently engage in these activities, this card offers numerous opportunities to earn more points. No fees for international transactions. The Citi Premier is one of the most lucrative points-earning cards in its price category, thanks to its broad list of bonus categories and sign-up bonuses. The solid and expanding list of ThankYou rewards transfer partners adds to the appeal of these points, particularly for travelers who want the freedom to spend points across several loyalty programs. Moving on to the cons of the Citi Premier Card. Unlike several other credit cards, the Citi Premier Credit Card does not waive the $95 annual charge in the first year. If you redeem for travel through the ThankYou Travel Center or gift cards at ThankYou.com, you must earn at least 7,851 points to justify the yearly charge. You can get closer to the threshold by concentrating your spending on travel and restaurant and supermarket purchases. Many additional benefits, especially in terms of travel, are not available, making the Premier Card less attractive in terms of rewards. There is no protection for missing or delayed baggage or roadside assistance. For balance transfers and purchases, the Citi Premier Credit Card does not offer an introductory APR. In contrast, certain cards, such as the American Express Blue Cash Preferred or the Capital One Venture One, give a 0% initial APR on purchases in addition to a bonus. A 5% balance transfer fee is also charged on the Citi Premier Card. This is consistent with previous cards. Moving on to the rewards. In addition to airline and hotel stays, you'll receive 3 points for every dollar spent on dining, whether it's a late-night cheeseburger, a high-end dining experience, or lunch at an outdoor cafe. Earn points by using your Citi Premier Card at gas stations. If you're like most individuals, grocery shopping accounts for a major portion of your annual spending. So use your Citi Premier Card to make those transactions and receive 3 points for each dollar spent. Every dollar you spend with your Citi Premier Card earns you at least one ThankYou point. Unlike some travel rewards cards, the Citi Premier has no restriction on the amount of spending that receives enhanced points in bonus areas. To redeem rewards, you can either browse the alternatives at ThankYou.com. You may view your options and the cost of the item in points when you check in. In general, redeeming points for things like gift cards through the ThankYou rewards system is worth 1 cent per point. So if you want a $50 gift card, you'll have to spend 5,000 points. The flexibility of ThankYou points is one of the reasons they are so valuable. They can be transferred to airline loyalty programs, used to book flights, and redeemed for items, gift cards, or cash. Transferring ThankYou points to airline frequent flyer programs might give you a lot of bang for your buck. You can also redeem your rewards using the Pay with Points program. You can utilize Pay with Points to get a statement credit to offset the cost of eligible purchases on your Citi account. To utilize this method, log into your account and choose Pay with Points from the drop-down menu to see all of your qualified purchases. You can also set up alerts for when you make a qualifying purchase. Finally, you can link your Citi account to Amazon and check out using the Shop with Points option. This enables you to directly apply ThankYou points to Amazon.com purchases. Redeeming your rewards for travel through the ThankYou Travel Center is the best way to get the most out of your card. Use this card mostly for travel expenses such as gas, restaurants, and supermarket purchases, and then redeem your points for travel or gift cards. When you book through ThankYou.com and prepay for your reservation, the Citi Premier Card can save you $100 on a single hotel stay of $500 or more every year, excluding taxes and fees. If you're planning an extended vacation or a shorter stay in a luxury hotel with a higher per-night charge, this could be useful. Every year that you can use this benefit, you more than make up for the card's $95 annual charge. ThankYou rewards can be transferred to eligible airline loyalty programs using the Citi Premier Card. There is no charge for transferring points, and the minimum amount is 1,000 points. If you belong to a partner travel loyalty club, transferring points could help you stretch the value of your points. My thoughts on the card. Overall, I would rate this card: rewards 8 out of 10, benefits 6 out of 10, customer experience 8 out of 10, low interest 1 out of 10, low fees 3 out of 10. The Citi Premier Card is ideal for travelers who want to earn transferable points but don't want premium benefits such as airport lounge access or travel insurance. The card also has no foreign transaction fees, making it ideal for international travel. It is also suitable for people who often spend money on restaurants, groceries, and gas stations and can benefit from the Citi Premier Credit Card. Your points are more valuable if you live this type of lifestyle and are willing to redeem them for air travel through Citi's Gateway. Because the ThankYou Travel Center has no restrictions on airlines or hotels, this card is ideal for consumers who are more interested in getting discounts and offers than in being loyal to a specific airline or hotel program. This wraps up my review of the Citi Premier Card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through to the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.